Let's take a look at adding users to an Onshape enterprise account. Simply enter an email address, separated by commas if adding more than one, and you can see that a user has now been invited to an account. You can also add users to teams. That way you can share quickly to those users. In this case, I'll create an agile manufacturing team, adding a few existing users in my account to this team. Teams can also be included in an alias, users as well. So I can go to a release team and add single users to it as well as team members. Here's the actual manufacturing team that I've just created, as well as other users. Also available in Enterprise is the ability to manage users via CSV files. You can add and remove users using this method. Simply use the template that Onshape provides. The template will allow you to enter email, role, whether they're a member or an admin, whether they're part of a design team or management team that you've defined as you saw previously, and whether they're a full or guest user or a light user. So you just simply provide that information in the CSV file. Changes to a CSV file can also be used to remove users from your Onshape account, helpful in joint ventures and other fast moving projects. So once you have that, you simply process the information, you bring in that CSV file, and Onshape processes it. So it's as simple as that for managing users in an Onshape enterprise account.